Are you struggling to achieve and maintain quality in your organization as a quality engineering professional? Don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I'm going to share with you some valuable tips and insights on how to measure and achieve quality. But first, let's quickly recap the importance of quality and what we have covered in my last video about defining quality. Quality is the backbone of customer satisfaction, and it's what keeps them coming back for more. However, poor quality can lead to product returns and significant quality costs. In this video, I will walk you through on how to measure and achieve quality and highlight the top 3 killers of quality in today's fast-moving world.
Consumer and producer measure quality differently. As an end user or consumer is the paymaster, therefore, producer must understand the customer's needs. Unfortunately, not many producers appreciate this point and also able to drive this point across organization. It's very important that quality department or quality management professional must learn how to drive this point across organization. So organization that are able to measure their products from consumers' perspective will normally enjoy a higher rate of success. So one of the ways actually to understand what consumers or customers requirement is through what we call a critical to quality tree. Let's look at this example of a table fan. What end customers need is fan with good speed, oscillate at wide angle, low noise level, and also free from cosmetic defect. And definitely the drivers will be the quality products at reasonable price. The quality products means that what are the key characteristics that needs to be measured to achieve all customers' needs or requirement. It could be the motor torque, the fan blade size, the appearance check, and the motor speed, and also the noise level. In summary is that once we have identified the key parameters to the customers, we can measure quality. Next is that we will need to go through how quality is normally achieved in an organization.
If you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more valuable insights and updates in manufacturing, supplier quality hacks to achieve consistently good quality products. By subscribing, you will be the first to know when I post new content.
Here I have categorized organizations into 3 categories: the best type of organizations, the dream type of organization, the good organization, and the so-called average. So the methods adopted to achieve quality is that for the best type, quality is actually attained through design, planning, and built into the products. Means that this one, when during manufacturing, there will be less headache, less problem, and a lot of effort is put in upfront to manage the quality, to plan in the quality into the product itself. The second one is good. So they will expect to have some deficiencies in design, not perfect, or manufacturing of the products. However, there are quality improvement efforts to address those deficiencies through corrective and preventive actions. The third one is that not much effort is put into design or ignorant that quality has to be planned in. Lack of any quality improvement activities, only continue to inspect, continue to screen products to meet customers' requirement. So this is the overall of quality of what, who, why, and also how.
Unlock all of my courses on Udemy for only $12.99. If you are using a mobile device, simply tap on More to review the special rate course link. Click on the link to view over 15 courses in multiple quality areas offered. For desktop user, you can scroll down and click on the link to download the course list. You can then click in the list to get the special offer rate. Are you ready to take your manufacturing supplier quality engineering career to the next level? Look no further. I am excited to introduce to you my comprehensive and affordable courses available on Udemy. Whether you are preparing for a job interview or looking to advance your skills, my courses on supplier quality engineering, audits, quality tools on NSA, SPC, FMEA, Lean Six Sigma, problem solving, specialized process control audit in metal stamping, plastic injection molding, printed circuit board assembly, spray painting, and more have got you covered. Each course comes with complete downloadable guides, templates, or checklists that you can immediately apply to your job. Don't miss out on this opportunity to invest in your career. With on-demand video, you can access the course from anywhere on your mobile device, giving you the flexibility to learn on the go. And with a Udemy certificate of completion and lifetime access to course materials, you will equipped with valuable resources, templates, guides, checklists to take your career to the next level. Follow the link below to check my courses to start your journey to success today. What kills quality? All manufacturers are trying to adhere to specific requirements as defined by customers to achieve quality products. Unfortunately, achieving quality is not as simple as it seems. Every day, critical quality issues arises mostly due to unexpected changes along the supply chain and manufacturing process, which can spell disasters to the final product. These changes can range from alterations in raw material to issues with machinery and equipment along the supply chain. Uncontrolled process changes, where in some cases, these changes are not properly monitored and documented, leading to confusion and errors. Uncontrolled changes extends beyond your manufacturing facilities and should encompass all processes along the supply chain. Uncontrolled innovations can result in poorly designed products that are difficult to manufacture. It is important to strike a balance between capability and feasibility when designing a product. Wow! You are now equipped with the knowledge on how to measure and achieve quality. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to catch my next video. In it, we dive into more critical aspects of measuring quality accurately with measurement system analysis. Let's keep the quality momentum going by sharing this video and leaving a comment below on what you think the biggest quality killer in this post-pandemic world. Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you in my next video.